Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Winter's a tough season for truckers, and frost or ice buildup on trailers only makes it harder. It's not just about delays. Slip hazards, brake problems and equipment damage can turn a simple trip into a safety risk. But with the right steps, you can stay ahead of the weather. In this video, we'll share 7 straightforward ways to keep ice and frost off your rig. These tips save time, cut costs and keep you rolling safely through the coldest months. Let's get into it. Understanding the risks of frost and ice buildup. Ice and frost on a trailer truck might seem like just another winter annoyance, but the reality is far more serious. When layers of ice build up, they don't just look bad, they create real dangers. From brakes that don't grip to unbalanced loads that threaten rollovers, ignoring ice buildup is a gamble no professional driver can afford. Here's where the real risks kick in. Impact on braking and handling. Imagine hitting the brakes and feeling that split-second delay. Ice on brake components and tires makes it happen. When ice coats your rig's braking system, efficiency drops fast. Air brake valves can freeze, reducing stopping power just when you need it most. Tires coated in ice lose traction, turning simple maneuvers into white-knuckle moments. Real-world example. A 2023 NTSB report linked a multi-truck pileup in Wyoming to brake systems frozen solid overnight. Drivers never stood a chance. Key dangers. Slower response times. Ice adds lag to brake activation. Reduced friction. Smooth ice layers turn tires into skates. Hidden ice. Even thin frost on drums or pads weakens performance. Weight distribution problems. Ice doesn't build up evenly. One side of the trailer might carry a thick layer while the other stays clean. That imbalance shifts the truck's center of gravity, raising rollover risks, especially on curves or off-ramps. Every pound of ice is dead weight, and when it's uneven, physics works against you. A flatbed hauling an icy tarp or a box trailer caked in snow can tip the scales by hundreds of pounds. Scales won't catch it, but the road will. Watch for top heavy loads. Ice on roofs or tarps sways dangerously. Side buildup. More ice on one side pulls the rig off-center. Unseen accumulation. Even frame rails hide thick ice layers. The takeaway? Frost and ice don't just slow you down. They rewrite the rules of control. Next, let's talk about beating them before they take hold. Preventive measures before winter strikes. Winter won't wait, so neither should your preparations. Taking action before the cold hits can save hours of scraping ice and reduce safety risks. A few key upgrades and coatings can make a big difference when temperatures drop. Let's break down 2 of the most effective ways to stay ahead of frost and ice. Applying anti-ice coatings. Anti-ice coatings create a barrier that stops frost and ice from sticking to your trailer's surfaces. Unlike old-school de-icing sprays, these coatings last weeks, not hours. Types of coatings to consider. Polymer-based sprays. These leave a slick, non-stick layer that ice can't grip. Best for metal surfaces like frames and doors. Silicone gels. Thicker and longer lasting, ideal for hinges and undercarriage areas prone to heavy buildup. Wax additives. Mixed with water and sprayed on, these create a thin protective film that sheds ice easily. How to apply them. Clean surfaces first. Dirt or grime reduces effectiveness. Use a sprayer for even coverage on large areas like trailer sides. For small, critical parts, like latches, apply by hand with a brush for precision. These coatings won't eliminate ice completely, but they'll make removal effortless. A quick tap or light brush clears most buildup, saving time during pre-trip inspections. Installing heated mirrors and lights. Frozen mirrors and fogged lights aren't just annoying, they're safety hazards. Heated components solve this by keeping critical surfaces just warm enough to stop ice from forming. Key benefits. Mirrors stay clear. No more scraping or blind spots from frost buildup. Lights remain visible. Heated housings prevent snow and ice from blocking illumination. Lower maintenance. No need to stop and manually de-ice during hauls. Most heated mirrors and lights plug into your truck's existing electrical system. Installation is simple. Replace standard mirrors with heated versions, often bolt-on replacements. Upgrade headlights and taillights with aftermarket heated units or OEM options. For fleets, this upgrade pays off fast. Fewer ice-related delays mean fewer missed deadlines and safer runs. Winter doesn't have to mean constant ice battles. With the right prep, your trailer can stay cleaner and safer with less work. Daily maintenance and inspection. A quick daily check can mean the difference between a smooth run and a frozen mess. Ice doesn't take days to build up. It happens overnight or even during a short stop. Add these inspections to your routine and you'll catch issues before they turn into roadside emergencies. We've covered a few key strategies so far, but we're not done yet. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.